Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017 and I'm Prerna here. Today I am preparing a sweet dish and only with this 5 ingredients. So the recipe is double layer chocolate burfi. So the ingredients are kova or mawa, ghee, milk, sugar and some cocoa powder. Okay, now let's start with the recipe. So first I have kept this pan, non-stick pan. Non-stick pan is very preferable. So now let's on this. Now in this, now let's add in ghee. 1 teaspoon of ghee. I added 1.5 teaspoon. So let this melt. So in this now let's add in kova or mawa. You can grate this if you prefer. Let's trim the flame. This is an easy recipe and only with 5 ingredients. Let's fry this for around 2 minutes. I had kept this kova in fridge, so it is little hard. Okay, now let's add in little milk. Adding milk gives you that soft texture. So the kova has become soft. I have taken sweet kova itself, so I prefer little sugar, not much. That's fine. Let's mix this nicely. We should stir this continuously till the kova gets thickened. It should get thick enough. So the kova has been ready and I have taken a half of this in this, and the other half I have added cocoa powder. So now let's add this on top of this. Let's tap it nicely. Now this is done. Let's leave it to set for 1 hour in fridge. You can see the double layer. Down it is white and up it is chocolate color. So yeah, now let's leave this to set for around 1 hour. So now this is set. So now this is nicely set. Now let's cut this. So now you can see so beautiful it is. It is very soft and has got nice texture. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Do try this at your house. I'll add a picture how it looks after garnish and all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it with your friends and comment below if you have any single doubt. Thank you.